Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so in this pandemic situation, Almighty Allah keeps you well. Yes, I am also fine by your well wishes. I, Sharina Hussain, teacher of class 4, Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 7. Dear students, today again I am here with you to share a maths class. I choose my topic multiples and factors. Dear students, please take your maths book and open your CW copy with your necessaries. Before starting today's lesson, I want to repeat the definition of multiples and factors, prime number and composite number, because these topics are very important and related with today's topic. Now, let's come to the class.
Elementary Mathematics, Chapter 7, Topic Multiples and Factors, page nung 73 to 86. Multiples and factors. When we multiply any two or more numbers, we get a product. The product is called the multiple and each number is called factors of the product. Example, 6 multiplied by 7 equal to 42. Here 42 is multiple and 6 and 7 are factors. Prime number. Such numbers which have only two factors and one and the number itself are called prime number. Example, 2, 3, 5, 13, 29, etc. Composite number. Such numbers which have only more than two factors are called composite number. Example, 4, 9, 18, 25, 57, etc. Exercise 7.4, page number 85. Students, please open your book, go to the page 85. Go to problem nung 5. Find the least common multiples, that's mean LCM, and the highest common factors HCF for each pair. Number 1, 8, 12, 24. Number 2, 9, 12, 18. At first, I will try to solve the problem number 1. Let's come. My dear students, look on the screen. Number 1, our given numbers are 8, 12, 24. We will find their LCM, that's mean least common multiples. In this math, I will show the conjugate or together method. Here 8, 12, 24 all are even number. So we can easily divide by 2. 2 is their common factor. After dividing the numbers, we are getting the answer 4, 6, 12. Then again all are even numbers, so easily we can divide by 2. After dividing, we are getting answer 2, 3, 6. Students, please look on the screen, be very alert. Here now we are getting 2 even number and 1 is odd number. 2 and 6 are even number, only 3 is odd number. So we can divide by 2 again because 2 numbers are even. After dividing, we are getting the answer 1, 3 and 3. Now we cannot divide the numbers by 2 because all are unique and odd number. So these numbers we are divide by now 3. Answer will be 1, 1 and 1. Here after getting the all factors, now we are multiplying the numbers because in the conjugate method How many factors we are getting? All factors now we are multiplying. By multiplying the all factors, we are getting the answer 24. Here 24 is our least common multiple. That's mean 24 is the lowest common multiples of 8, 12, 24. So our answer will be 24. Now students, we will find the HCF, highest common factor. Our given numbers are 8, 12, 24. 8 is even number, so easily we can divide by 2. After getting the answer 4, again we divide by 2, then we are getting 2. Answer will be 2. That means 2 is a prime number. Now 12, after dividing 12, we are getting 6. After dividing by 2, we are getting 3. 3 is a prime number. 24, again we are dividing by 2. After getting answer 12 and 6, we can divide by 2 because both are the even number. After finishing the calculation, we are getting 3. 3 is a prime number. In the HCF, now see how many factors we are getting. 8, we are getting 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And the 12, we are getting 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And the 24, we are getting 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Students, please be very careful. Here, see, 2 is the common factors of these three numbers, 2, 2, 2. And the second step also we are getting 2 is a common factors of these three numbers. But other numbers, other digits are not common for three numbers. That's mean our common two digits are 2 multiplied by 2. So our highest common factor is HCF is 4. Now math number 2. Our given numbers are 9, 12, 18. Here also I am using congest or together method. 9, 12, 18. 9 is a odd number, 12 and 18 are even number. Here we are getting two even number. For that reason, I can easily divide these two number by 2. When we are dividing 2 by 9, 12 and 18, we are getting the answer 9 as it is, it's come. And 12, we are getting answer 6. 18, we are getting answer 9. Students, please look on the screen. Here, we are getting two odd number and one is a even number. That's mean now we cannot divide the numbers by 2. We are going to 3. We can divide the all numbers by 3. After dividing the numbers, we are getting answer 3, 2, 3. Again we can divide the numbers because two numbers are odd number, one is even. That's why I can easily divide by 3. After calculating, I am getting the answer 1, 2 and 1. Now we are going to calculation. How can we do the calculation? We know already in the congest or together method, we are multiplying the all taking factors togetherly. After calculating, I am getting the answer 36. That's mean my answer is 36. LCM is 36. Now let's come from the same numbers. Now we are finding the HCF by using the prime factor system as it is. 9 we are dividing by 3, answer will be 3. 3 is a prime number. 12 we dividing by 2 because 12 is even number. We can easily calculate it and we are getting the answer 3 at last. It's the prime number. 18 is a even number, so easily we can divide by 3. By the calculating we are getting the answer 3. 3 is a prime number. That's mean Rest of the numbers are prime. Now we are calculating the numbers. 9 equal to 3 multiplied by 3, 12 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 18 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Students, look on the screen. Here only one digit is common for all numbers. What is that one? Yes, you are right. This is 3. That's mean 9, 12, 18. For the all numbers, one number is the common. It is 3. 3 is the highest common factor. Now extra. Find the LCM of 6 and 9. In this math, I am using multiple method. Here at first I am finding the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. There is more. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, say infinite. Common multiples of 6 and 9 are, look on the screen, 18. 18 we are getting into the 6 and also in 9. 36 is the same. It is also in the 6, multiples of 6 and also the multiples of 9. And 54, it is also the multiples of 6 and multiples of 9. These three number we are getting as a common multiples of 6 and 9. There will be more, but I am taking up to that. So least common multiple is 18. That's mean out of these three, 18 is the lowest multiples of 6 and 9. So LCM is 18. Now HCF. We are finding HCF from 16 and 24. 16. In this math, I am using factorization system. How can we factorize the number? 16. Who are the factors of 16? 1 multiplied by 16. 1 is the factor of 16. 2 multiplied by 8. That's mean 2 and 8 also the factor of 16. 4 multiplied by 4. That's mean 4 4s are 16. Both are also the factor of 16. Now 24. 1 multiplied by 24, both are the factors of 24. 2 multiplied by 12, both are also the factor of 24. 3 multiplied by 8, it will be make 24. That's mean these two also are factor of 24. 4 multiplied by 6, these two also the factor of 24. So how many factors we are getting from the 16 and 24? Let's come. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now we will find the common factors of 16 and 24. Who are they? Yes, you are right. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the common factors of 16 and 24. Out of these four factors, which one is the biggest? Yes, you are 100% right. 8 is the highest common factor. Very good. My dear students, now come to the problem number 6. Put 3, 2, 3 or 5 in the blank box to make up the composite number freely. They are giving us 2, 3, 5, all are the prime number. By using the prime numbers freely, we are making the composite number by multiplying. It's very easy math. In number 1, I am taking 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. My answer will be 30. 30 is a composite number. By this way, we are finding the 2 and 3 answer also. Number 2, I am taking 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Answer will be 60. If you want to take there 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, your answer will be okay. By this way, we are finding the answer number 3 also. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, then answer will be 150. In this math, actually we are learning by multiplying the prime numbers we can make composite number. This is the main thing. Feedback. Find the LCM and HCF from the given number. Our numbers are 20, 25, 30. Students, you can use any method in this math, whatever you feel easy. This answer you will write in your comment box. Then I can easily find out your answer will be correct or wrong. Now student, it is time for the homework. Our homework number 7, chapter 7, exercise 7.4, page 85. Find the LCM and HCF. Number A 10, 15 and number B 12, 18, 24. You will do the homework in your school homework copy and you can submit the homework in our own section group. Okay?
My dears, you know now our surrounding condition is not good. After that, you should practice math regularly at your home. Otherwise, you will forget your lesson. My dear student, now you are staying your home with your parents and close relatives. Try to listen your parents' advice and cooperate with them. I am always with you. Thank you very much to watch my video. Again, we will meet in another class. Up to that, bye-bye.